With your new skills, I want to show you how to make money on Fiverr, even if you are new. In a moment, I'm going to show you the very best and fastest way to get noticed on Fiverr, even though you might be new to this platform.
All right, welcome to Module 3. In this module, our expert will teach you about using sites like Upwork and Fiverr to offer services. So get ready to take some notes and let's jump right in.
All right, so now that we've got our skill, we've decided what we're going to offer, and we've got our tools and our assets and our resources, it's time to actually offer our services. And there's two great ways to do that. One is a micro gig marketplace called Fiverr, and another is an actual freelance recruiting site called Upwork. The way Fiverr primarily operates is you put your stuff out there, and the clients come to you. They see what you have to offer, and then they choose whether or not to do business with you. The way Upwork works is sort of the opposite. The clients come to Upwork, they post a job with a description and requirements, and then you apply to those jobs. Getting started is pretty easy. The first thing we're going to do is come into Fiverr, into our seller's dashboard, and click on Gigs. That brings us to this page. We're going to come over here to Create a New Gig. Now, I've cheated a little bit and already filled some of this in to save some time. Let's have a look at what we're filling in. Gig title. Now, this is particularly important because Fiverr is a search engine. People come to it and they type in the search bar what they're looking for, and hopefully your gig pops up somewhere high up in the results. So you want to make sure that your name is super optimized. You can also add a specific SEO title so that search engines outside of Fiverr, such as Google or Yahoo or Bing, can actually find your gig out there when people are searching the World Wide Web. Now, there is a character limit that's a little bit smaller for your SEO title, but we can just remove a few words and we're good to go. Our main words, animated explainer video, are included in there. Our main title that's going to be visible inside of Fiverr is I will create, and I will is default, by the way. It has to be an I will statement. So this is the portion that you're able to edit. I will create the best animated explainer video for your business. Now we're sort of covering a few different bases here. Best is a superlative. That'll stand out when people are looking at it. Animated and explainer are two different things that people might choose. Some people might look for an animated video for their business, but not know to use the word explainer because they're not familiar with that concept or phenomenon. So we're covering our bases here. And of course, we've got the word business because we're looking for businesses. Next, category. We've chosen video animation for this one. And our subcategory is going to be, as recommended right there at the top, whiteboard and animated explainers. Next, animation type is going to be a 2D animation. File format could be anything. We're just going to stick with MP4 so that people know what they're getting. Sometimes you'll get special requests. If you can offer anything at all, then go ahead and check them all. Next, search tags. This is super important. This is yet another thing that's going to make your gig rank higher on Fiverr when people search for what you're offering. So, our keywords, animation, explainer, animated video, sales video, cartoon, and you're only allowed up to 5, so make sure that you choose yours very carefully. Next, let's go on to save and continue, and that'll bring us to scope and pricing. Now, when you get a little more advanced, you can actually add 3 different types of packages here, tiered sort of, and each one is more expensive than the first, and they obviously offer different things. So you could offer 4-day delivery for this one, and then the next step up could be 2-day delivery. Or you could have 3-minute videos for this one, and the next step up would be a 5-minute video, and then a 10-minute video, that sort of thing. So you offer more, and you charge more. In this case, we're going to keep it pretty basic here, and we're going to stick with just one package. We're going to call it standard, because you have to give each package a name. This is our little description, a full HD animated video up to 3 minutes, 4-day delivery, 1 revision if they want something changed. Voiceover recording included. Runtime in seconds, we'll go ahead and spell that out to 180. And we're not going to include any of these here. We are, however, going to include them down here in Gig Extras. We'll get to that in a second. So these are all the things that you could offer, though. Words included. Now, you could offer something specific here, but since we're already putting a time table, a time limit on the video, we don't really need to add that. Price, $10 for the basic package. Now, If people want to add additional things, for example, they want us to write the script for them, or they want extra fast delivery, or they want background music, we can offer all those. So in this case, extra fast delivery, I'll deliver it in 2 days for $10. Script writing, I'll write your script for $10. I'll put background music into your video for $10. And you can add as many gig extras as you want. Let's hit save and continue. Here we have a description. Now this is critical because Fiverr is a pretty saturated marketplace. It's a happening place. You're going to have a lot of competition, and you need to give your buyers a reason to do business with you instead of someone else. So we've already got some copy in here. I'll create the absolute best animated explainer video for your business. If you believe in what you're offering, go ahead and use superlatives. Go ahead and use the word best. There's nothing wrong with that. Video marketing is an absolute must-have today, so we're selling them on the need. I'm going to create an attention-grabbing, entertaining video that gets your customers excited about buying your products or services. That's the benefit, right? All I need is a script, as well as a brief description of what you want the video to look like. Videos will be about 3 minutes in length. Now, if you were actually offering this gig, you would have much more information of what you need and what it's going to be like. So you would flesh this out quite a bit more. As you can see, you can have up to 1,200 characters. We're just sticking with this for the sake of this example. Frequently asked questions. You could stick that in here. For example, do you speak other languages in the video? You can put no, English only, or yes, English and German, whatever you want to put there. So whatever makes the buying experience better for them, keeps your buyers more informed before they even hit the buy button, and keeps questions down on your end. You can go ahead and stick here in frequently asked questions and make good use of your description real estate here. Let's go ahead and hit save and continue. Then we've got tell the buyer what you need to get started. This is where after they've purchased, they send you some information. For us, we've just got one. It says, please paste your script here. Let's go ahead and hit update to keep that. And we're going to come over here and we're going to say, let's say maybe brief description of your desired video. Right? You'd probably flesh it out a little bit more. I'm just moving this along for the example. So this is, once again, what they need to submit to you in order to get the actual order started. And that's when the clock starts on your order. Hit save and continue. Next, we've got a video. Now, it's pretty important to have a video. It's not mandatory, but as you can say right here, it says videos increase user engagement by 40%. You really want videos in your gig gallery explaining to people why they should buy from you. If you don't have a video and it's just a photo, then you're not going to get as many hits. You're not going to get as many people ordering from you. So whether it's you on screen talking, saying, hi, welcome to my gig, this is what I offer, or whether it's just an example or a sample video of the types of videos that you build for people, you got to stick something here. So we're going to click browse. We're just going to grab any random video for our purposes here. And photos as well can be helpful. Now you can put photos, obviously, of things that are relevant to your gig. For example, if you're a graphics designer, you can put images that you've done in the past. Or what some people do is they actually draw out tables with information about the gigs. Okay, and choices that they have and that sort of stuff, or special sales or special deals, something along those lines. You can make those into a JPEG image, upload those here in your photos. Just take as much advantage of these possibilities, the video and the photos, as you possibly can to get as much business as you can. Let's save and continue. And that's it. We're done with the process. We'll hit publish. The video that you submitted will have to be reviewed a little bit before it's approved. Your gig will go live. And finally, people will start coming across it in the search results when they look for your gig. And Fiverr is pretty good about not just letting the people who have been here for years and years dominate the top of the search hits. They're pretty good about filtering newbies in as well and giving them a fighting chance so that every once in a while, new gigs with no reviews and no orders or purchase history will float to the top. So you do have a chance of doing that. However, the best possible way to get business directly is to go out there actively and get it on social media. Go out there and actively send traffic to the URL of your gig and ask people to do business with you. That's the best way to get through the door. And to set your prices to rock bottom at first, say $5 for a very, very substantial delivery, send traffic to it, get your friends or other people who you know who have businesses on social media to come here to your gig, buy it for just $5, deliver awesome service. That way, at least you get some reviews going and you've got a portfolio in your gallery, right, of jobs that you've done in the past, and that'll help you rise up. And then, of course, you increase your prices once you've got a little bit of a platform to stand on. So that's Fiverr. Pretty simple. You put your stuff out there, the clients come to you and decide after shopping around whether they want to do business with you or someone else.
In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can make money with a program called Upwork. I'll show you the secret code on how to get business on Upwork. I have a link below this video. It's free to use and it's everything you need to produce videos so you can promote your new skills. Please like this video and hit the notification bell so you can learn more. Let me know in the comments below if there are any other skills you would like to learn. I am constantly producing new videos. To learn more, hit the button with my ugly picture in it.